Good day everyone! Today, we're talking about the simple Go, Grow, Glow system. And got perfect examples right here. First is, rice is our go food giving you the energy to power through your day. Next is our grow food, tofu, building strong muscle and bones with plant-based protein. Next is okra and banana, our glow foods, keeping your body healthy with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's see how these four foods work together to make a balanced, nourishing meals. First, rice. What is the nutrients of rice? It contains carbohydrates, starch, protein, fats, unsaturated fats in brown colored rice, dietary fiber, vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, B6, folate, and vitamin E. Minerals, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, iron, and zinc. Antioxidants, anthocyanins, phenols in colored rice. What is the benefits of rice? First is provide quick and sustained energy for its high starch content. Starch breaks down into glucose for immediate and long-lasting fuel for daily activities. Number 2 is gluten naturally free, making it safe for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It contains no gluten, so it's safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Third is easy to digest, so it's gentle on sensitivity stomachs and ideal for recovery. Mild texture and simple carbs don't irritate the gut, great for sick people or infants. Number 4 is affordable and widely available, making it accessible for most households. One of the cheapest staples worldwide available almost everywhere. Number 5, unprocessed varieties, brown colored, support heart health with fiber and healthy fats. Fiber and healthy fats in brown colored rice lower bad cholesterol. Number 6, all types are low in fat and cholesterol, helping maintain healthy food lipids level. Naturally free of cholesterol and low in fat, supporting healthy blood levels. Next is tofu. What is the nutrients of tofu? First, protein. Second, fats, unsaturated omega-3s. Third, carbohydrates. And fourth, dietary fiber. Fifth, vitamins or vitamins B, often vitamin D, B12. 6. Minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc. 7. Phytonutrients, isoflavones, genistein, and digoxin. What is the benefits of tofu? First, complete plant-based protein. It has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, making it a great alternative to animal protein for vegetarians and vegans. Number 2, supports bones health. Firm tofu made with calcium sulfate is high in calcium, plus it contains magnesium and phosphorus, all important for strong bones. Lastly, third, heart-friendly. It's low in saturated fat and cholesterol-free, and its unsaturated fats and isoflavones may help lower bad cholesterol levels. Next is okra. What is the nutrients of okra? Carbohydrates, 7 grams. Mostly complex carbs, including 3 grams of dietary fiber. Second is protein, 2 grams. Third is fat less than 1 gram, naturally low fat. Fourth is vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, vitamin B6, thiamine, and riboflavin. And number 5 is minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and manganese. And 6, phytonutrients, flavonoids like quercetin, polyphenols, and mucilage, a soluble fiber. What is the benefits of okra? First, support digestive health with high dietary fiber that helps keep bowel movements regular and feeds healthy gut bacteria. Number 2, may help manage blood sugar levels as its soluble fiber slows down sugar absorption in the body. Third is provides antioxidant like vitamin C and flavonoids that protect cells from damage and support overall. And lastly, Banana. What is the nutrients of banana? It contains first carbohydrate with 7 grams, mostly natural sugar like fructose, glucose, sucrose plus 3G fiber or 3 grams fiber. Second is vitamin B6, 20% of daily value. Third, potassium, 12% of daily value. And fourth, vitamin C, 17% of daily value. And fifth is small amount of magnesium, manganese, folate, and vitamin C. What is the benefits of banana? Benefits of banana: first, boost energy quickly. Natural sugar and carbs provide instant fuel, making them great for pre or post-workout snack. 2. Supports heart health. High potassium helps regulate blood pressure and maintain healthy heart function. 3. Aids digestion. Fiber promotes regulatory bowel movements and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. And that's all for today. Thank you.